Assalamu alaikum. My name is Anzala, and I started as a freelancer in Pakistan, and but now Alhamdulillah we have 25 plus team. Recently come here in Dubai, and we've core focused on performance marketing for private labels like Shopify e-commerce brands, and we are helping them like performance marketing, influencer marketing, and now content marketing. So this is just like an MVP, not have a very solid stat for that, but we have clients as a service based.
Have you launched already here in
Yes.
Dubai? And
Yes.
do you have any clients?
Yes.
So you have clients you deal with worldwide or region specific?
Before we were working only in Pakistan, but now I have access in Gulf. So if I got investments, then I would love to go as a worldwide because it's not physical based business.
What are you looking for right now? For example, why are you
Two
here?
things. One is collaboration, and second is investments.
So what are your current revenues?
So we are charging per client 2 lakh PKR.
Okay.
So like you can consider it the 20 clients and 2 lakh per client.
That's rubbish. First thing you do is go charge them like, I don't know, 10 lakh.
We are not giving the best, and best not means the big services like the board and outdoor activities. It's only the digital
But
solutions.
do you have packages? Like, do you have, what is your most expensive package?
Not more than 3 lakh PKR.
Yeah, so that's the, because you don't believe or you don't have the good service. So you need to become a good company first. So you should have like, I don't know, you should have, so for example, I started a digital marketer, but I had levels. Like I used to charge $100,000. That's one of my packages. Then where I promise that I'll, play my part to become, to take your business from where you are and I'll 10x it. So if you're making 1 million, I'll help you become, $10 million company, a revenue company. But then that's the belief I had, the network I had. And then I'll get some percentage of that as well. Similarly, if you believe and if your company is providing some of the best services, doesn't matter Pakistan, India or here, then you have packages like this and always go with at least 3 packages. One, the most expensive. People like me, for example, my team knows if I need some services and they bring a proposal and if it's too cheap, I said, no, not good enough. This company is not good because I'm targeting the top people in the world and I need a top company and who know how much value they have in their services. Then have some medium point and then have some, very affordable one as well. So most people make this mistake. If you have 3 packages, I don't know, out of 100, one will pick the top package. And if they pick that package, then you don't need to have 100 clients and then you're earning, 200,000 rupees per client. You understand my point?
Yes.
So if I work with you, the first thing I'll do, I'll teach you this. I'll say, no, I need 3 packages. The most expensive one, the medium and the cheap one.
I would love to learn your experience, and
but you have to give me a lot of money then because I'm really expensive. You
so
understand
why
this?
not?
I might charge you $100,000. So you understand my point. So straight away I can see and my team would see, okay, you're not offering good packages or the expensive packages or you're not targeting the right people. So there's a growth in the company and expertise which you need to have as well as the marketing part, the network and everything you need. So this is the thing I would, before giving you any money, this is first I need to know, like what is your capability, what sort of clients you have, what is your niche, and if there's some changes required, I will apply those changes first into your organization and then I will venture with you.